Hey, it's me again. I want to show you people a small thing to do. Even at home you can do that. Pretty simple. From now and then, when you service your bike, you can take off your clutch cover, which is very simple. Alright, you have 5 Allen bolts. Take it off. This clutch cover is different from other clutches. This is the reason. This nozzle, this small jet, you can see it from the outside, the difference of the case, the cover, because there is a oil passage here which pushes the oil through here, and then it sprays the oil in the middle of the clutch basket. Anyhow, why you need to take it out from now and then? To check if this small jet, this is very tiny small jet. So you better check it out. Maybe it clogged or something could happen. So it's very simple to do that. First I take this spray, which is a brake cleaner, doesn't matter what. You can see that. We will squeeze the oil, the spray here. See that? So now we see it's okay. You push some air pressure in. Now we know it's clean. Pretty simple. Maybe 10 minutes work at the top. A small thing about checking the oil level, because the Kove 400, 450 doesn't have any way to check the oil level. Only if you have the other case with a sight that you can see. But if you don't have it, what you can do here, the level is about here, which is about this bolt. Let's see here. Here is the level of the oil. So we are going to make a oil level bolt. I took a cutter and I cut a small piece of the gasket, which the oil can go through this bolt. This screw here, the oil can go out. If I will take this bolt out, a small amount of oil will go out. Alright, we'll go from here, then I can check the oil level. You must take a aluminum washer or copper washer and then use it, because then you're gonna have some small leak. So you're gonna use a aluminum or copper, something soft. Anyhow, when you cut this, cut it with a cutter, like I said, because this is an aluminum gasket, so it's easier to cut it with a cutter. That's it. Now you can check the oil. So this is the bolt. Now I'm at about I haven't started the engine yet, so this is about 1.7, I think, maybe more. We will see. So you take it out. We can wait a few seconds. We can lean the bike straight, which it should be straight. It's starting to leak. So when the oil will be hot, it will be easier. Alright, you can see the drops right now. So we are about level. A little bit more, I think. We should start the engine first. This is after we started the engine. Let's see. Let's lean the bike straight. What I'm saying is, if you are above one, you feel the oil, and you are above 1.8, 1.9, it's no big deal. You don't have to be correct. There is a lot of spare oil inside this motor. You have the oil cooler, you have a lot of spare oil. You should be around between 1.9, maybe 1.7, but this will give you an average where you are. You can lean the bike a little bit to see the oil. You don't have to be exactly. Basically, that's it. Here we have the air filter. Anyhow, you should check it out sometime. You know, it's under the seat cover, so it's under the seat, not the cover. Anyhow, you should check inside that there is no dirt going in. I use some air. All this area should be clean, nice and clean. You should clean the air filter like you clean all other dirt bike foam. You should use all kind of material to clean the dirt from the filter. Then you spray on the filter air filter oil. After you dry the air filter, so it's dry, you spray a small amount first of all, because the oil is so sticky. I prefer to first put this bracket that holds the filter. You glide it in easily. Do not tear the foam. Patient, slowly. Glide it in. You have to get over this. And then you have this here inside. You stick it in. After you see it went to the other side, also this one, you check that everything sits alright, everything alright. Then you can spray the oil. Not too much. If you are in a cold country, there is no dust, you don't have to spray much. You don't want any dust to go inside your engine. It's the most bad thing for the engine. Dust is everything. That's about it. The heart of the engine is the air that goes in. If the air goes in with dust, you make the life short of your engine. Very easy. Very easy. Don't tight it too much, because it will stick later on. You will not be able to take it out. That's it. That's it, not too much. Check it out. When you see it's all squeezed in, everything sits good. That's it. Ready to go.